Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today's topic is power of meditation. When we look around and when we talk about our day-to-day life, what we see? We see a stressful lifestyle. For the people who work, they have pressure and they have stress of meeting their deadlines, to managing the relationship with colleagues, with the other people in the office. For the people who stay at home, like for the homemakers, they have different kind of pressure. They have a pressure of taking care of everything in the house, of the household chores, of taking care of the family members. They have a different kind of stress. When we talk about students, so students have another different kind of stress. They have to meet the expectations of teachers, of parents, they worry about their marks, of getting good grades, of passing in the difficult subjects. And the unemployed, they have a different kind of stress of getting the job or not. So stress is everywhere in our lifestyle. And the question is, can we run away from stress? No, we cannot. The people who work, they cannot go back office and they ask their employers that it's very stressful for me, the job is very stressful and I cannot work anymore here. No, we cannot do that. The homemakers, they cannot tell their family members that it's very stressful for me to take care of all of you and of the household, so I cannot do that. The students, they cannot go back to the teachers and say, the exams are very stressful for us and we cannot give the exams. No, we cannot do that. We have to live with that stress. But there is a small solution that can help us to minimize the stress to a great extent. And what is it? Yes, it's meditation. It looks simple, but actually it's a little bit difficult to sit still in your body and your mind for that 15-20 or half an hour time. But if you practice it consistently, you will understand its benefits, and eventually you will be in that mode where you will want to do it more and more. The more you practice, the more you will get to master it. Now, what the stress is doing to us. It's not only causing it's causing a lot of health problems to us. High blood pressure, low immunity, and research has found that in most of the health problems, the baseline, the root cause is stress. So what should we do to minimize the stress? We should do meditation. Now, if you go out and if you research about meditation, there are a lot of types of meditations. The purpose is same, but the process is different of each meditation. I have personally been to some of the meditation centers. To name a few, one was this Art of Living course, and then the other was Heartfulness meditation. Yes, those were the two. I practiced both of them, but the best that worked for me was Om meditation or the Om chanting. It's very simple. I'll tell you how to do it. I think most of you must be aware of it, but still I'll tell you for the people who do not know about it. What you have to do it, you have to just empty your stomach. All the air that is inside your stomach, you have to just release that. You have to just take it out by your nose and then breathe in completely through your stomach. So the first thing that the air should go in your stomach and then in your upper respiratory system, which is the chest, right? And what you have to do is just close your eyes and focus on the vibration that is generated when you say Om or when you chant Om. And you will yourself realize how peaceful and how calm you will feel after that. And make sure to do it consistently, because it's no magic. It's not going to do wonders in just one day time. So you will have to do it every day. So if meditation can help us so much in improving our quality of sleep, in improving our lifestyle, in improving our health, then why not? We can spare 10 to 15 minutes. So let's promise ourselves to do it every day for 10 to 15 minutes. Start with that, and you can gradually increase the time as you feel comfortable. Thank you. Bye bye.